class 2? Good morning, Mom, Hi. Thank you. Jennifer and your group, this is class 2. That's their teacher, Miss King, and the other teacher, Miss Yumbo. Clap for Jennifer. Thank you for the books and pencils and all that you sent for us.
Thank you for the books and pencils for all you sent for us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Teach them small. Now we say we have language arts ESP and S, not so?
Yes.
And we read our topic that it is use simple present tense to describe habitual actions and routines, not so?
Yes.
What are these habitual actions and routines? We said these are the things we do every day, not so?
Yes.
We do every second, every minute, eh?
Yes.
Like example.
In school and at home.
In school and at home. What are the things we do in school? Every day. We learn in school, not so?
Yes.
We learn in school and we come to school every day, not so?
Yes.
How do we come to school?
We walk to school.
We walk to school, not so?
Yes.
Very good. Clap for yourself. We walk to school every day. Oh my God. Jennifer, good news. The church in Ephrata, they've already sent us money. We are going to get a bus. So you had your sisters say they walk to school. Very soon you will not walk to school. Ephrata has bought you a bus. Clap for them.